Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Suri Studio. Welcome back to Linux season. Today we will discuss about group management and ownership. In group management, how many types of groups is there and how to create a group configuration files and how to add a user to the particular groups and ownership, how to change the owner of the files and directories. Okay, let's start it. Yeah, that group configuration files means like group user management. We can see the users in cat/etc/password file, but in group, see these many groups are there in this. Okay, in group management we have two groups is there. One is primary and second one is secondary. Primary groups means while creating the users automatically one group created, right? That is the primary group. Secondary means manually we need to create a groups using the commands. Okay, this is the primary group means while creating the user that group will create automatically. Secondary group means we can create manually with commands and add the users into that group. Okay, let's try to add group. Primary groups means these three are the primary groups. Means we created a test user, Linux user and testing users, right? These three groups already created while creating the users. These all are the primary groups. Now we can try to create the secondary group using the commands. For group creation, group add is the command. Group add, then group name. Which group we need to create it? That is the group name. Studio. I can give studio. Okay. For group creation, group add is the command. Group add, then group name. Okay, group add studio. I am creating the studio group here. It's created. Let's check this group is available or not. cat/etc/group. See, studio, it's created. And gid, this is the gid of this group. This is a password link file. If you these groups and all we don't know, we can check it directly. cat/etc/group pipe symbol we can use. Grep that group name what we created, studio. See here directly studio is there. That group name, password link code, this is the one. This field is the gid, group id. If you want to change the group id of this group mode -g, I'll change to 007. Okay, to which group? Studio group. This group mode group. Okay, sorry, spelling mistake. See now, see gid is changed. Okay, if you want to set the password for this group, like how to create a password for the user, same like, but g password is the command. G password studio. Okay, it's asking for the password. New password. Yeah, see, it's created. Now we can try to open this /etc/group pipe grep studio. Okay, this group is there with the gid. How we can see that password is, where the password is stored for the group, this /etc/g shadow. Okay, See, for studio, the password is stored and it is in encrypted mode. Got it? These two are the configuration files of the group. One is /etc/group and password configuration file is /etc/gshadow. Okay, now we can see how to add the users into group. First we can check the group and users in that group. How to check the group and how many users in that group? We can check it with getent group studio. See here, only no users added into this group. Now we can add some users. We have already 3 users is there, right? Try to add these one user into group. For that, user mode capital G, group name studio, which user we need to add to this group. I can add test. See, now we can try. See here, test user is added here. Okay, see this group, this is the group name, this is the group ID, this is the users in that particular group. If you want to add another user, Linux, see it's added. Got it? Test and Linux is the 2 users in that group. If you want to change the group name of this group mode -n, new name means which name you want to change it. New CLA to which existing group name means old group name studio. So it's saying getent group studio means it won't say anything. Now we can see new CLA. See, new CLA is the new name, same GID and the users of the group. If you want to add multiple users into this group, first we can create some users. User add RE, user add AD and user add GH. Now we can try to add the multiple users into this group. For this, G password capital M user one, which one? RE comma AD comma GH to which group? New CLA. Yeah, now that space is there, that's why it's won't taken. Yeah, now it's okay. Now we can check it. Getent group new CLA. See, if we add the new groups, that existing groups automatically disappear. If you want to add the one more user into this group without removing the existing user, command is not G password, sorry, user mode -a -g Linux new CLA. Sorry. First is the group name, then user Linux. See, that existing user already there and it's added one more user. Okay, got it. If you want to remove the user into this group, G password -d, which user we need to remove it. I'll remove RE to new CLA, removing user RE from new CLA. Now we can check it. Getent group new CLA. See that RE user is removed from this group. This is the group management, means how to create a group, how to add users into the group, how to delete users into that group, okay, how to change the GID of that particular group, and how to set the password to the group. Yeah, if you want to remove the whole group, group del which group we need to remove it, new CLA. See, it's deleted. We can check it in cat/etc/group. See, that group is not there, new CLA group is not there here. Okay, got it. This is the group management. Then we will go with ownership. Ownership means this is the user and this is the group, right? If you want to change this owner and group of this file, we can change it. For this, command is chown. If you want to change the username of the file, just for example, we can change it to this one. Okay, I can change to test to file name. File name in Suri. See, it's changed to test username. If you want to change both at a time, chown. This one I can change to test, then test to test file. See here, user is changed and group is changed to the test file. If you want to change the only group name of the file, chown colon which one, Linux to Suri file. See, this group is changed to Linux. Okay, got it. Then directories, how to change the owner of the directories. chown hyphen capital R H. If you want to change this one, I'll change to Linux to dir1. See, user is changed to the directory dir1. If you want to change the owner and group of all files in a current directory, we can directly chown root colon root star. If you give the star, it will affect the all files and directories in the current path. See, it changed to all to root again. This is the ownership. If you want to check the date, current date, just give the date command. It will show the current date and time. If you want to check the calendar, just give cal. It show the this month calendar. Cal 2022 or else 2020. See, it display the all dates in year 2020. If you want to check the memory information of the server, just give free. See how much memory is there, how much it's used, how much memory in free. Swap memory. What is swap memory and all we will discuss later. Okay, if you want to see in human readable format, just give -h. See here, total 1.8 GB means total we given the while creating the mission we given only 2 GB. Total is 1.8 GB. It's used only 182 MB. Free is 1.5 GB is there. Okay, cache 122 MB is there. Available 1.5 GB is available. if you want to check the kernel version of the this Linux machine, just give uname -r. This is the version of the kernel of this server. Okay, uname -a. It shows the all what the software, Linux or Fedora or Ubuntu or Linux, localhost, this one. This is the version. When it's built means when it's created, Monday 2020, 64-bit. Okay, GNU Linux. It shows the all data here. Thanks. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.